class 6 students. In continuation of chapter Things Around Us, we were discussing about characteristics of living being. Today, fourth characteristics will be discussed, and it is excretion. First of all, you will see what is excretion. Actually, in our body, various metabolic waste, various excretive products are produced, and its removal from our body is very essential. Why it is essential? Because it can harm our body, it can affect our different physiological activities. That's why just to protect ourselves, it must be removed time to time. First of all, you will see what is excretion. Excretion is the process by which waste product and other non-useful material are removed from the body of an organism. This process is called excretion. Now, question arises, how these non-useful materials collected in our body, how these metabolic waste are produced in our body. Actually, during the process of digestion, solid waste are produced, whereas you know very well that in each and every cell, metabolic activities, vital activities occurs in our body, and during these metabolic activities, various essential substances are produced in our body, but during this process, some excretive waste are also produced, which is called metabolic waste, and it also must be removed from our body. And how these metabolic waste are removed? These are removed by the process of excretion. Now, look at here, what is metabolism or metabolic activities? Metabolism or metabolic activities occurs in each and every cell. The sum total of all the life process taking place in an organism is called metabolism. Sum total. Why it is called sum total? Because various constructive as well as destructive process occurs in each and every cell. That's why it is called sum total. And during this process, either it may be constructive or destructive. In both the processes are essential for our body, and during this process, various metabolic waste are produced. These metabolic waste must be removed, and these metabolic waste are removed by which process? By the process of excretion. By the process of excretion. Now you will see which organs, which excretive organs are involved in the process of excretion. How many types of excretive products are produced in our body? Let's see what are the name of excretive organs and what are the name of excretive waste. First excretive organ is kidney. Its excretive product is urine, and it is expelled out from our body in which form? In the liquid form. All the excretive waste are dissolved in liquid, in water, and after that it will be expelled out from our body. Now come to the second excretive organ. Second excretive organ is skin, and it secretes sweat when weather is hot. And what is expelled out along with the sweat? Excessive salt of our body, excessive small amount of ammonia, and these two are expelled out along with the water. That means this one is also liquid form. Now, third one is lung. Lung expels out carbon dioxide during breathing process, breathing out. When we are expelling out breathing out. In that condition, what we are actually expelling out? It is mainly carbon dioxide. That means this excretive waste is in which form? In the form of gases. In gaseous form it is present. That means liquid, gaseous, which are waste product which are produced in our body, which must be removed from our body. Now look at here, what are the solid waste? Here in fourth point we will discuss about solid waste. Solid waste is fecal matter. Fecal matter. And this solid waste is removed. This solid waste is removed through anus. That means excretory organ is part of digestive system. Part of digestive system. And it expels on fecal matter time to time. In which form? In the form of solid, semi-solid actually, not solid, semi-solid. And in this way, our body is protected from hazardous or harmful effect of various metabolic and excretive product of our body. Thank you.